Hello and welcome back. This is Steve Bucks Coins and welcome to the channel. We have the Animal Coin Hunt, which I've designated this as Animal Coin Hunt 30. The first coin we have is from Ireland. It is a 2p coin from Era from 1971. On this side we have the harp, the country and the year. On the reverse side we have the value of 2p plus a stylized book from the Bird of Kells. This 1971 coin has a mintage of 75,500,000. The second coin we have this is turning the page, is a French coin, and we have a portrait of Marianne on the side. It's a 10 franc coin from 1951. On the reverse we have the value of 10 francs plus the cockerel and also the year. The mintage for this 1951 coin is 153,689,000. This next coin, just by its simple value and the fact that it's a aluminium coin from Italy, it has a very low value of 5 lira and it's from 1954. This side gives you the name of the country plus the rudder. And on this side we have the value of 5 lira, we have the year of 1954, and we have a stylized dolphin. The mintage for this coin is massive. It's 436,400,000. The next coin shows Her Majesty Queen Elizabeth II. It is a 2-cent coin from Australia from 1974. On this side we have the Queen, the country and the year. On the reverse we have the frilled lizard, and also do we have the value as well? Yes we do, we have the value as well, and the value is just there. You see the figure 2? The 2-cent coin. The mintage for this 1974 coin is 91,732,500. We have 2 coins that are of the same value. They're both Irish coins. One is from 1971 and one is from 1979. They have the value of 1 pence, and on this side we have the country, the harp and the year. On this side we have the stylized bird from the Book of Kells. From the 1971 coin we have a mintage of 100,500,000. And on the 1979 coin we have 21,766,000. Now I think for the high mintage for the 1971 it was due to the fact that we changed over the currencies from the sterling, pound, shilling and pence to the more stylized coins of the decimal range. This next coin is again an Irish coin, which gives you the harp, the name of the country of Era and the year. And on this side it is make sure I get it the right way up. And that's it, yeah. We have a Celtic design and it's an O shape from the Book of Kells. The mintage is 100,500,000. Very much the same as the mintage for the 1p coin. In fact, it's exactly the same. Exactly the same year as well. So this was to make the first lot of half-p coins in a decimal range. Right. Next page. The next coin we have shows Her Majesty the Queen again, Queen Elizabeth II, and we have the country, and the country is Bermuda. It is a 1 cent coin dated 2009. On this, and on the reverse side, we have the value written in text of 1 cent. We also have the year and a wild boar. The mintage for this coin is 4 million. This coin is South African. It is a 1 cent coin from 1966. It has the year and the country on here, and also a president, which was Jan van Riebeck. And that's Jan, VAN, and then Riebeck is Reibeeck. The reverse of this coin shows 2 Cape Sparrows and the value of 1 cent. The mintage for this coin is 50,157,000. The next coin is from Jamaica, and it's a 5 cent coin from 1969. On this side we have the coat of arms, the year and the country. On the reverse side we have a valuation and also a short-nosed or short-snout crocodile basking on a rock. The mintage of this coin is 12,008,000. I still wouldn't like to see it, even if he's a short-snouted crocodile. Meeting one of them on a riverbank would be enough to give you the heebie-jeebies, wouldn't it? Well, it certainly would with me, anyway. Here we have a 10 krona coin from Iceland from the year 2008. It's the quarter shield with the four what do they call them? The 4 mythical characters from Icelandic stories. We also have the year and the country on that one, and then on the reverse we have the 10 krona mark, which is the value, and we have 4 fish which are capelin, and that's CAPELIN. The mintage for this coin is 1,520,000. Next we have a brass type coin from Namibia. It is a 5 shilling coin from 1993. On this side we have the coat of arms, the year and the country. And on the reverse we have the value underneath a design of triangular design. And the animal is a African fish eagle. There are no mintage figures for this coin. Next coin we have is a large, very light aluminium coin, and this is from Indonesia. It's 500 rupiah, and it has a year of 2003. On this side you've got the coat of arms, the year and the country. On the reverse side we have the value and a plant, which is a jasmine flower. I'm not sure how this got into an animal coin hunt, but there you go. I don't think there's an animal on there. No, there isn't. So that's a strange one to have in an animal coin hunt. But never mind. We carry on, and we carry on with this coin. And this coin is from the Seychelles Islands. It is a 1 rupiah coin from 2016. We have the coat of arms of the Seychelles. We also have the year and the country name. On the reverse we have the value of 1 rupiah, and we have a butterfly, and the butterfly is the King of the Seychelles, is the name of the butterfly. There are no mintage figures for this coin. Here we have a double-headed eagle from Russia. It is a 1 ruble coin from 2016. On this side we have the eagle, we have the country name and the year. On this side we have the value, and we have a vine set up. There are no mintage figures for this coin. Here we have a coin from the Cayman Islands. It is a 10-cent coin from 2005. We have Her Majesty Queen Elizabeth II. We have the country name and the year. And on the reverse we have the 10 cents of the coin, the coin's value, and we have a very similar style to the Australian, I think it's the Australian 20-cent coin that has a platypus on it, but this one has the green turtle. The value, the mintage for this 10-cent coin from the Cayman Islands is 3 million. On this coin we have is from Poland. It is a 10 zloty coin from 1975. We have the head of Adam Mukowicz, I think it is. The spelling of the surname is Mukiewiczz, and I apologise if I have the pronunciation wrong. On the reverse side we have the eagle of Poland, the year and the value. This 10 zloty coin has a mintage of 35 million. Here we have a crowned portrait of George VI from the Mauritius Islands. It's a half rupee coin from 1951. And on this side we have the crowned head of George VI, and then on the reverse here we have the value, the year, and what looks like a stag, but I think it's the stag is from the swamp deer variety. The mintage for this coin, this half rupee coin, is 570,000. The penultimate coin of this hunt is a Canadian 5 cent from 1978. We have the Queen Elizabeth II on the front. On the reverse we have the name of the country, which is Canada, we have the year, we have the value, and we have the animal, which is a beaver. The mintage for this 1978 coin is 137,079,273. And finally, the final coin of the hunt is Polish. It's a 50 groszy from 1975. You have the COA, you have the year, you have the coat of arms, the year, and the country on this side. And the eagle that is shown is a white eagle. And now in the back we have the value of 50 groszy over a laurel. The mintage for this coin is 25 million. That ends this coin hunt. I hope you've enjoyed it. Oh, let me just get sorted out. Get out of the way. I've bagged these up ready for me to sort through and put what I want into my collection into flips. I hope you've enjoyed this hunt. If you have, could you please give me the thumbs up. Also, I have recently been looking at my stats, and YouTube informs me that approximately half the people who are viewing the videos are not subscribed. If you're one of those 50%, I would very much like you to subscribe. It doesn't cost you anything. It will be helping me out greatly, but only do so if you believe I deserve it. I do a minimum, and that is a bare minimum, of 4 videos a week. Occasionally there are more, as could be seen over the Christmas period, where I did one a day, one or more a day. If you're having a hunt, I hope you have a successful one and you find the coins you're looking for. If you're buying coins, I hope you can get the coins you want for the price you want to pay. And finally, thank you for staying and to the end of the video. I do hope you've enjoyed it, and until we meet up again on this channel, which I hope will be not too far into the distant future, from me, bye bye. Ta-da now.